What do sea snails eat? Have you ever wondered what sea snails munch on while gliding along the ocean floor? These fascinating creatures have a diverse diet that varies by species and environment. Let's take a closer look at what makes up their meals. Many sea snails are herbivores, which means they primarily feast on algae and other sea plants. Algae are abundant in the ocean, providing essential nutrients for these snails. They use a unique structure called the radula, which is like a tongue with tiny teeth, to scrape algae off rocks and surfaces. This allows them to enjoy a nutritious meal while helping to keep their habitat clean. On the other hand, some sea snails are carnivorous or scavengers. These snails enjoy a diet that includes bivalves, other snails, and even decaying animals. This variety in their diet enables them to thrive in different marine environments, making them adaptable to changing conditions. Interestingly, there are also omnivorous sea snails. These species consume a mix of plant and animal matter, depending on what is available in their surroundings. This flexibility in diet helps them survive in various habitats. The radula is a remarkable feeding mechanism for sea snails. It allows them to effectively scrape or grind their food. For herbivorous snails, this tool is particularly useful for rasping algae from surfaces. Some snails, like limpets, even use their shells to help in their feeding. They can scrape off algae and remove competing organisms like barnacles from their feeding areas. Understanding what sea snails eat is important for marine conservation efforts. By knowing their dietary habits, we can better manage ecosystems and ensure the health of snail populations. For example, sea snails can accumulate pollutants from their environment, which highlights the need for monitoring water quality. Protecting these creatures is vital for the overall health of marine life. In marine aquariums, it is essential to provide appropriate food sources for sea snails. This can include algae or specific animal matter, which helps maintain the health and diversity of snail populations. This is especially relevant for species that are popular in aquariums or are part of marine life conservation efforts. The diverse diets of sea snails reflected the rich biodiversity of marine ecosystems. By preserving these environments, we can ensure that all marine life, including sea snails, continues to thrive.